Do you want to replace the coffee filter of your coffee machine? With these steps, you'll have it done in no time. What do you need? A new coffee filter and a screwdriver. Step 1. Remove the brewing unit. In most machines, the brewing unit is located behind the tank. Pull the tank forward to remove it. Open the flap behind the tank and press the 2 red buttons. Carefully pull the brewing unit out of the machine. Step 2. Remove the old coffee filter. The coffee filter is screwed onto the piston of the brewing unit. Unscrew it and take it out. Step 3. Place the new coffee filter. Place the new coffee filter in the same spot as the old one and screw it back on tightly. Step 4. Reinsert the brewing unit. Slide the brewing unit back into place and click it firmly, then close the flap. Slide the tank back into position. You've replaced the coffee filter, and the coffee machine is ready for use again.